time for some monster truck fun!
Yeah!
As Bolt speeds higher and higher on a construction beam, he practices going up, wahoo! While Boom Boom demonstrates going down.
Oof.
Oh, Boom Boom, how did you get down there?
Oh, don't ask.
Oh.
Down is the opposite of up. Down is the opposite of up. Yes! Careful Ollie drives slowly through the streets of Truckopolis.
I like to go slow. Whee!
Meanwhile, Ladybug and Buzz prefer to drive fast.
Faster! Whoa.
Fast is the opposite of slow. Fast is the opposite of slow. Ladybug moves ahead of Buzz. Now she is in front and Buzz is behind.
I'm right behind you.
Front is the opposite of behind. Front is the opposite of behind. Now they are racing in the same direction, but Ladybug turns left while Buzz turns right. Left is the opposite of right. Left is the opposite of right.
That was fun!
In order to help Boom Boom, Star must go past the hole and then stop. Go is the opposite of stop. Go is the opposite of stop.
Yes!
Instead of going forward, Star backs up to the opening. Back is the opposite of forward. Back, back, back is the opposite of forward.
I'll help you, Boom Boom. Grab my tow line.
Boom Boom was stuck in the hole, but thanks to Star's kindness, Boom Boom is now out of the hole.
Woohoo! I'm out!
Out is the opposite of in. Out is the opposite of in.
Yeah!
Star and Boom Boom are near the hole that Boom Boom fell in,
Be careful, Boom Boom.
while the other monster trucks are far away. Near is the opposite of far. Near is the opposite of far. There's a very large pipe in the road. Ladybug skids around the pipe,
Wahoo!
while Dragon drives straight through it. Around is the opposite of through. Around is the opposite of through. Bolt jumps clear over the pipe.
Over!
But, of course, Ollie decides to drive carefully under the pipe.
Under.
Over is the opposite of under. Over is the opposite of under.
Wahoo!
Bolt just landed on Ollie. Bolt is now on top, and Ollie is on the bottom.
Thanks for the lift, Ollie.
Top is the opposite of bottom. Top is the opposite of bottom.
Yeah! Wahoo!
Paying attention in opposites class has definitely paid off for the monster trucks. They are doing awesome! The road is splitting. 4 of the trucks decided to turn, while the others stay straight. Turn is the opposite of straight. Turn is the opposite of straight.
Yeah!
Ollie, Buzz, and Dragon take the lower road, while Bolt, Ladybug, Boom Boom, and Star take the higher road. High is the opposite of low. High is the opposite of low.
Curvy roads are so much fun!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, maybe too much curvy fun for Boom Boom.
Are you okay, Boom Boom?
Yeah, I am just a little tired.
I think it's time to go home.
It's been an exciting day in Truckopolis for all these young trucks. Luckily, all roads lead home, where they can refuel and rest their tired engines.
Yeah!
Tomorrow we...
I like a big truck, small trucks, short trucks, and long trucks, fast trucks, and slow trucks, and high trucks, and low trucks, old trucks, and new trucks, and every single kind of truck, yeah. I like trucks. I like red trucks, and blue trucks, and orange trucks, and yellow trucks, green trucks, and purple trucks, and pink trucks, and brown trucks, and black trucks, and white trucks, every single kind of truck, yeah. I like trucks. Well, you may ask about my favorite truck. It's hard to choose, I like them all so much. But here's a few of my favorite ones. Now don't forget to sing along. Monster trucks, fire trucks, duck trucks, semi-trucks, pickup trucks, garbage trucks. Yeah, I like trucks.
This is a very exciting day for our young monster trucks because today they are headed out to the Desert Adventure Park, where they will race in the Super Fun Colors obstacle course. The young monster trucks line up at the start of the race. Are you ready, racers?
Yeah!
The starting light changes from red to yellow to green. And they're off! Oh no! The orange truck crashed into the green cactus. But he's okay. The pink truck is in the lead now. She's collecting yellow star power-ups, which should give her enough power to smash right through the red brick wall. Amazing! The blue truck approaches the blue ramp next. And he cuts left, heading for the green tightropes instead.
Whoa!
Look at him go! That's some amazing monster truck skills.
Yay! Wahoo!
He's taken the lead from the pink truck.
Yeah! Vroom, vroom!
The orange truck is back up to speed as he heads for the blue ramp and that could have gone better for him. The green truck is trying to cut through the field of purple grapes. He doesn't have the power to make it. His only hope is... Yes! He's done it! He leveled up and got super tires! The green truck can plow through the purple grapes like they're not even there.
Yeah!
The green and blue trucks are in the lead.
Yeah!
But here comes a challenger. The red truck veered off into the yellow hurdles.
Yahoo!
It's slower to jump the hurdles, but it's the only way to get the rocket power up.
Yes!
The red truck is flying through the orange balls for extra points!
Yay!
Oh, amazing! The red truck burns past the blue and the green trucks.
Whoa!
The orange truck is about to tackle the yellow hurdles and that's unfortunate.
Oops!
The yellow and purple trucks are neck and neck as they enter the boxing glove gauntlet. Red boxing gloves are popping up from the ground. The purple truck swerves. The yellow truck zigs, now zags. Oh, the yellow truck goes flying! The purple truck has the banana peel power-up. He's dropping yellow fruit as he goes. That can only mean one thing. Someone is in for a slippery ride. He's sliding right into the pink flamingos. What a feather-brained move. It's anybody's race as the trucks head toward the finish. They must leap through the ring that matches their own color. Here they go! The red truck is the first through!
Yippee!
Now green has done it. Then blue and pink.
Yeah!
The yellow truck is right on his tail. Purple is next.
Yay!
And here comes orange. Ouch, that had to hurt. What an amazing day filled with so many wonderful colors. Can you remember them all? I bet you can. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink.
Yeah!
Great job! See you next time, Monster Truck sports fans.
Let's meet today's racers. Red, orange, yellow, green,
Awesome!
blue, purple, pink. All right then, Monster Trucks, time to start your engines and get ready to race. And 3, 2, 1, go! They're off to a flying start. These trucks must be late for playtime. They're already at record speed. And over the first jump, what color truck is that? Red! Which color is next? Yellow! And which color truck is next across the jump? Green! That was flipping excellent!
Yeah!
Whoa! He caught the wheelie!
Yes!
I just about fell off my chair! Which color truck is that? Orange!
Yahoo!
Yeah!
Yippee!
Whoa! The boys better watch out!
Yeah!
Which color is that? Pink!
Yes! Wahoo! Woohoo! Yippee!
It's incredible! They're really fighting for the lead!
Yeah!
Which color truck is this now? Purple!
Yippee! Yahoo! Yeah!
Whoa! Flying like a jumbo jet!
Wahoo!
Which color is this speedy truck? Blue! Look at him showing off!
Yay!
They're almost at the finish line. Hold on to your hats, folks. This one's going down in the history books.
Whoa!
As they cross the finish line, let's give these brilliant trucks a big cheer. Shout out their colors to let them know how awesome they are. Here we go. Blue.
Yippee!
Yellow. Red.
Awesome!
Purple.
Yeah!
Orange.
Yay!
Pink.
Wahoo!
Green. Massive congratulations to all our winners.
The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all day, day long. The doors on the truck go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the truck go open and close, all day long. The shocks on the truck go up and down, up and down, up and down. The shocks on the truck go up and down, all day long. The wipers on the truck go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The wipers on the truck go back and forth, all day, day long. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 beep. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 all day long. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 all day, day long. The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all day, day long.
Welcome all to the Color Crush Show. Come meet my friends. You'll be glad to know. Monster trucks like to learn, jump, and shout. They'll show you colors as they drive about.
Yeah!
So look around, friends, and you'll quickly see, yeah, colors are everywhere. I think you'll agree. Blue is the color of our great big sky. Yippee! Purple balloons for a party nearby.
Yeah!
Green is the grass.
Yippee!
Yellow is the moon. Tomatoes are red. Pink flowers in June. Look at the orange and brown carousel. White snow falls and covers the hills.
Yeah!
Black is the night. It gets hard to see. Perfect for rest and getting some sleep. The trucks want to take a colorful spin. Their engines have started. It's time to begin. They'll crush each color, one by one. Practice makes perfect, so come join the fun. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down.
Yeah!
The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes.
Yes!
The orange truck flips right onto his nose.
Oops!
Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud.
Yeah!
Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
The trucks love colors and performing for you.
Great job!
So they'll do it again, all the way through. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down. The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes. The orange truck flips right onto his nose. Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud. Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
Practice makes perfect, as you will soon see. Yeah, let's watch them perform at great record speed. Blue pounds the letters, squishing each one. Purple is next and won't stop till he's done. The green truck always knows just what to do. The yellow one smashes them 2 by 2. Red truck has got her squashing just right. The orange truck pounces with all of his might. Pink mastered crushing, she's having a blast. Brown goes backwards when she goes past. White takes his turn, and there's one more to go. Black hits each letter and knocks them down low. So, let's review the colors, beginning with blue. Purple, green, yellow, red, and orange too. Now, don't forget pink, brown, white, and black. I think you have got it. It's time to relax. The monster trucks have finished their colorful show. You have learned 10 colors. Yes, 10 in a row. Practice makes perfect, as you already know. Never give up, and you'll be the star of the show.
Good evening! My name is Harry Blue, and we're revving up for another exciting show. Tonight's exhibition game is for a good cause. The ticket sales all go towards the charities that each of our players have selected. And the lucky winner gets to contribute $200,000 more to his or her charity. That's right, $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash. That's right, green, which I understand is blue and yellow combined. Let's take a look at our lineup. First up, we have Bolt.
Yeah!
It's no mystery why we call him Bolt. Yes, fans, he's as fast as a lightning flash. Bolt is playing for his charity, the Blue Mountain Housing Project.
Yippee!
Next up, we have Ladybug. She's best known for her grace, beauty, and fearlessness. She is one fierce competitor. Ladybug is playing for her charity, the Red Hill Oilers.
Yeah!
Finally, we have Buzz. Buzz is a silly, cheerful little fellow who buzzes around with great speed and agility. Buzz is playing for his charity, the Yellow company. First up is Bolt.
Yeah!
Like a flash of lightning, he's going to try to take out 10 targets in 10 seconds.
Wahoo! Yay!
And he did it! Does Bolt ever cease to deliver? I think not.
Yahoo!
Next up is Ladybug.
Yippee!
Ladybug is going to attempt to take out all these targets while flipping through the air.
Yay!
Ladybug took them all out. She is fierce.
Yeah!
Finally, there's Buzz. Using his startling agility, Buzz will take out targets that are scattered all throughout the course. Only this time, we decided to make the targets a little more colorful. Some are red. Some are blue. Some are yellow.
Awesome!
And he buzzes off. Look at him go! Wow! Are my eyes playing tricks on me, or are those targets changing colors? Yes, they are! The yellow paintballs are causing the blue targets to turn green! One of the secondary colors! Why do I have a sudden craving for a glass of orange juice? Maybe because Buzz's yellow paintballs are causing the red targets to turn orange. Another secondary color. Oh no! It looks like Buzz needs a little break. Who will take his place? Hey, what do you know? It looks like Ladybug is here to save the show. Now it appears that her red paintballs are turning the blue targets purple. The last of the secondary colors. Bolt's riding back onto the scene.
Yeah!
And what do you know? There is such thing as teamwork.
Wahoo!
And look at all those colors. I feel like I'm stuck in the middle of a rainbow. Now the question is, which of these fierce competitors is going to take $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash to the charity of their choice? We have Bolt,
Yeah!
Ladybug,
Yippee!
Buzz. It seems as if our trusty applause meter has determined that it's a tie. They will all split the money and take back some serious green cash to their favorite charity.
Yippee!
What an awesome show they gave us today! The Monster Truck Show for Monster Sports fans! Drive home safely, folks!
Yeah!
Yahoo!
Good night!
The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all night, night long. The doors on the truck go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the truck go open and close, all night long. The The white